because it had a Snell, a larger hook. This is it's a 12-aught Mustad. We're going on a tournament tomorrow, so pre-rigging everything. Typically, I would put this line through the eye to start it, but I'm going to start it without it through there. I'm going to go just on the shank, because if you look on the backside, there's like a little burr right there, and I don't want this line to drag across that when I go to cinch it down. So we're going to take our tag end right there, and we're going to, there's the tag, we're going to cinch it down, we're going to wrap over top of everything. So you got your tag end and your main line. You're gonna wrap, put your thumb in there, do another. You're gonna do this about anywhere between 8 to 12 times. You can do as many as you want. I like at least 8. I'm gonna go all the way through it. And then once you get enough wraps that you like, you're gonna go ahead and pinch right here. You're gonna pull your tag in, and you'll see it pull that extra line through, and you'll see you get a bunch up right here. You're just gonna pull that tag on that side, and it's gonna cinch it down. Now you'll notice there's a little bump right there. That's because I haven't cinched that knot down yet. So I'm gonna swivel, move the knot over until I get it to where I want it. I'm gonna wet it out so that I don't burn my line. I'm gonna pull real hard. You'll see it gets rid of that little burr that I showed you earlier. Then we're going to take the very end of my main line. We're going to go through the eye on the opposite side of the hook. I'm going to pull that through. Grab my scissors. Trim the end. And then what you end up with is a Snell knot with both tag lines underneath the entire knot. It's a very clean, best way to tie your Snell. Now this main line is going to get tied to my swivel, which goes to my main rod, but this is basically what we use for tournaments to go after our big groupers or big snapper, things like that. And it's